Hello friends, it's Flynn Rider from TownshipDotIn. Welcome to the another interesting video about the new version, that is version 22.0.0 in Township. So let's go.
TownshipDotIn.
Firstly, there's a new skin for chickens called as Halloween skin. The new skins for trains and train station with same theme of Halloween. Also, a new sticker in chats, and I like the new Halloween profile which unlocks after completing stage 35 of the haunted Halloween event. So that's for today, and be patient for my second video on new update. I will post the information about that video tonight. Thank you.